Yardstyle live.
Greatest influence that actually hit me hard was when Bob Marley passed.
Okay.
Because Bob Marley was from Senton, buried in Senton, and during the funeral service, it's like something came over me where it was so powerful that up until this day when I think about it, goosebumps, I just feel like goosebumps come over me. When the casket passed me in the back of the pickup, it's like how all the children from Ferncourt line the road when the casket come.
Yeah,
Everybody.
Yeah.
The only all dog out there, you know, pay homage to the king, you know. And people don't know what Bob Marley has done for Jamaica. A lot of Jamaicans take it lightly.
Still don't know.
A lot of Jamaicans take it lightly. But what Bob Marley has done for Jamaica is wake up the consciousness of the rest of the world to make them understand that there's a little piece of rock called Jamaica that you don't play with.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.